Hey there, everybody. This is Steve from Mac Daddy Model Hobby. Just wanted to make this video so I can get it out there. What I'm doing now is just doing a little hand brushing on the small parts that I've got for my truck for the F-250. Um, it's coming along. I got to get them. Uh, I've got to, keep moving on the parts here. So this is, a lot of the engine parts I'm going to get done. Um, uh, so once I get the engine together, it should go pretty quick. At least I'm getting something done on it. Um, Kind of slow process for me, I guess. But, like I said, I'm in no hurry. I have been watching a lot of videos. Uh, I'm up to like 2 or 3 in the morning just watching YouTube videos. I don't know, I can't get enough. It's hard to keep up with everybody, but, uh, I've been seeing a lot of different things. Uh, I know David has got a series on about dioramas. Well, David, I enjoyed my garage diorama so much I decided to do another one. I've got a couple ideas in mind, similar to yours. I'm thinking of doing sort of a junkyard theme. Uh, I may have to buy a couple models. I might go smaller scale, just a little bit. I can't remember what size your car was on yours that you demonstrated. That's about a good size. That's not a 125th, I don't think, is it? Anyway, that's what I think. I'm going to go smaller scale, buy a couple of them, and build a junkyard. I'm either going to do a junkyard or a drag strip. Um, I think I saw one of somebody that had a drag, 2 cars, one popping a wheelie at the line, and I kind of like that idea. So I haven't made up my mind 100%. But when I do, I already bought some materials. I bought the foam board, the insulation board. I've got that. I've got the glue and the modeling clay or whatever, modeling formula. I bought some of that. So yeah, I just gotta decide exactly what I want to do. Uh, Not 100% sure yet, but I can't get it off my mind. But I really enjoy doing the dioramas, and I've seen a couple of junkyard ones that I do like. So I may do something like that. Uh, I don't know if I told guys that I work for a company called Auto Placement out of Rhode Island. Link might know of them. They started in Rhode Island and they expanded all over the place. They're out of business now. They sold out. But so we used to pick up insurance claim cars, and we had a big yard. And I kind of did everything there. I dispatched. I drove. Mostly I drove, but I would fill in for the manager and dispatch. And then I would do some yard stuff. If I didn't have a run, I would stay at the yard, run a loader with forklifts on it, and move cars around. And I also participated in the auctions, set them up. I helped out with that a lot. So our yard was pretty big, but I'm thinking of maybe even making a smaller scale of where we stored the most of them were wrecked. So I don't know. It just kind of intrigued me. So it was, you know, dirt little roads going up and down these rows, and all the cars were stored in line, at certain spots. So I kind of may do some of that. We got them in all different conditions. Some were rollovers, some were totally wrecked, some were just minor damage. Guys would come and buy them and then take them to their junkyard, or we deliver them to their junkyard, and then they bid on them, buy them, and then we take truckloads, tractor trailer loads to them. So I may do that. I'm not 100% sure, like I said, but I'm thinking that way. So I may do that. Um, I don't know, some kind of junkyard scheme theme, I think. But I'll get it. I'll figure it out, and then I'll start working on it because I'm really interested in doing it. It just, I don't know, it's just pretty neat stuff. My my garage diorama is about 99.9% done. There's just a couple other things I may do, uh, but I'm not sure. So, it's there, it's set up, it's on display. Um, I just think it'd be a neat way to display some models once in a while. Put them in there and take some pictures or whatever. So that's what I'm. But like I said, that was a lot of fun, and I thank One Car Garage. He had a video about making a $10 diorama, and that's what gave me the inspiration. So thanks, One Car Garage, for doing that. Um, it was something that I really enjoyed doing. Um, you know, so, and then now David, he's given me the inspiration to do another one. So um, I'm excited about it. It's just kind of neat. So that's what I'm doing kind of right now. I'm just touching up these parts. They're just, the fan belt, the water pump, the alternator. So I'm just finished doing the finishing touches on that. Um, I have changed the color blue of the engine a little bit. Sorry. Uh, so that's the color of my engine, and I just put a coat of gloss on it. I like to get a little shine on it. Nothing crazy, but I wanted to, put a little clear coat on it. So we'll see how that comes out. So they're drying. So now I'll be able to finish that up. I gotta get working on that. I kind of been slacking off, and I shouldn't be. So that's my that's my goal. Finish that one off. I did uh, from I do have other things in the works. I was watching uh, one of Dirt Car Cinderella's videos last night or this morning. I'm usually up to like 2, 3 in the morning, and she's doing, or it may be an old video, so I don't want to misspeak, but she was working on that dump truck auto car from, I know Hobby Lobby's got it, so I got some interest in that too. I want to do a big truck. I think that'll be fun. So, all right. Well, listen, I'm going to cut this short. I just wanted to get another one out there. So, thanks for watching, guys. Please, shop cards, keep them coming. Stickers, I want to put them in my diorama. I appreciate it very much, guys. So, all right, I got Big Charlie from Big Charlie's Garage calling me, so I'm going to give him a shout. Talk to him for a little bit. So, thanks, guys. All right, talk to you next time.